Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, City Gold Puttur, for inviting me. I know this brand for quite some time, but I was not fortunate enough to visit this. But since you guys invited me today, I'm very happy to be here. I think ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ನೋ, because even though I've not worked with you guys before, but when I got to know that I have to come here, City Gold Puttur, it sounds like I already know this brand. I've worked with this brand, you know, that kind of a positive feel. So to the entire City Gold team, thank you so much for inviting me here. And talking about Erotsav, I think diamonds are girls' best friend, I think. But apart from that, I think jewelry itself adds on to a lot of beauty when it comes to traditional wear or western wear. And looking at these diamond collections, I think they are beautiful. Tumbane beautiful agide and tumba lightweight agide. I think ee tara namma Mangalore weather ge lightweight hakondu hogode best anta ansutte. I think we'll feel very light wearing, you know, lightweight jewelries. And I think all the designs are beautiful. And I'm very happy to be here. And what do I say about Puttur? Puttur, recently I came for Devdasna Leela movie show, and I met a lot of people. In fact, that Puttur show was the first show that was houseful. So we were extremely happy. Puttur people have shown so much love, and I can say this is my first event in Puttur. So yeah, again that's also special because I think every artist or every actor wants a beautiful stage where they're recognized, and you all have recognized me and invited me here, so it means a lot to me. And he already told I'm already his customer with another brand. So anyways, now I think I'll be City Gold customer as well because you all have such beautiful collections. And thank you so much for having me here. It's my pleasure. Thank you. I don't know, I've been a professional dancer, so I don't mind showing that talent. But since you're saying singing, I am a bathroom singer. So ivaga ishtu jana bandidare, nan sing ಮಾಡಿ ಓಡೋದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಜೈ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ 100 days ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಬಾಲ ತಂಡು ಮೌಡ ಮೋಕೆ ದಿಂಜಿ ವಂದನನ ವಾತಾವರಣ ತನು ಮನ ಲವ್ ಯು ಈ ದಿನ ಶುರು ನನ ಉಡಲಡು ಪೊಸಗಾನ ತನು ಮನ ಲವ್ ಯು ಈ ದಿನ ಶುರು ನನ ಉಡಲಡು ಪೊಸಗಾನ. Thank God nobody ran away.
Thank you so much. Your voice is so melodious. And did you love this song? Ma'am, and you are saying you're a bathroom singer? No. Today onwards, the Kannada and all industrial people will call for you to sing. I'm sure, pretty sure.
I've done every profession. I mean, I've done everything. I've been into sports, I've been into dance, and in fact, I have done a singing reality show as well in Bangalore. But it was ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ, ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೇಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ.
Thank you so much for coming and thank you so much for your song, man. Thank you so much.